I will not allow you have come here, you go back to Buganda in your place, unless you only go and visit your family. That when I will be very happy for that. For your business, I will extend you from here to, you will come to base. But you extend your business to the border of the Sudan, the border of the Congo, so that you will do your business really.
We are so happy with the Arua community and all the media houses that have supported us today to spread the message of fighting against HIV, so that by 2030 it's out of the country. We are so happy for today. Today we've heard the number has also increased from the previous of the last year. We are so happy for companies that has come on board and supported us. They have brought so many kits. We are so happy for that.
Thank you so much for this day. Kabaka Run, we are fighting about HIV, so we want people to participate. We're supposed to get support for getting people to heal the HIV. We fight for our country and for our people, for God and my country. My
Semaganda Bosco, muzukuru wa Katongole yeddira ente. Ndi musanyufu nti neetabe emisinde gino nga tulwanisa obulwadde bwa nawukeera siriimu assa abantu ase baganda baffe ase bannyinaffe naye nze naawe ffe abalina okulwanisa obulwadde bwa siriimu tutya nga twetaba misinde ate kabaka bw'alagira teri addamu obuganda obutafaayo nsonga lwaki tuli wano eno twegattire wamu tulwanise nawukeera siriimu neeyanziza.